What's up, YouTube? So today I want to talk about the Voxadpocalypse, or how to make money on YouTube even if you're not monetized. That's all coming up. Stay with me. Now, before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I'm known as the man with the hat. That's because I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere that I go. I'm actually one of the few people who could pull one off successfully. Well, me and this guy. Now, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things. I review software and info products in the make money online niche, basically because I want to make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Right, boy.
Bart, seriously, this is ridiculous. You know, you say this every single day. You complain and complain and complain and complain and complain. He's a complainer. That's what he is, just a complainer. I also do a lot of videos on making money on Liz Lemon. Thank you so much. You're such a sweetheart. She really is a sweetheart. So unlike that Bart guy, you know? Now, if you're new to the channel, go ahead and smash the subscribe button. Hit the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos. So frankly, subscribe really doesn't mean much here on YouTube anymore. Go ahead and like this video. Comment down below. Let's keep the conversation going, and let's get right into this. Okay, so I don't usually talk about politics on this channel, and that's deliberate. In this case, this video is not about politics at all, but it's actually about the fallout from politics. So a little bit of background here before I jump into today's content. This is a story of two fairly well-known and large YouTubers. So first of all, this guy, his name is Steven Crowder. He's kind of the right-wing answer to John Oliver. He's a comedian, a conservative commentator, similar to the way that John Oliver from Last Week Tonight or Trevor Noah from The Daily Show tend to skew to the left. Crowder tends to skew to the right. The other character in our story is this dude, Carlos Maza. Now, Carlos is a commentator for Vox. He is self-described as a, sorry, my cat likes to go and photobomb my videos sometimes. He's self-described as a gay Mexican wonk. His Twitter handle actually is gay wonk, and he calls himself a queer and an anchor baby. This is not something I'm trying to insult him with. It's just what he puts on his own channel. You can see that here. Okay, so what happened here is like this. Crowder's been doing videos on his channel where he criticizes Maza's content. He attempts to poke holes in what Maza has to say. Fair enough, that's what politics is all about, right?
Politics. No, I'm not a political animal.
Yeah, this channel isn't actually political either, but in this particular case, politics comes into it, but ultimately we're going to be talking about how to make money online. Now, what happened was like this. Maza complained that Crowder was making fun of him, and also that Crowder has a t-shirt for sale which says socialism is for, well, the F word regarding gay people. I can't say it because YouTube doesn't like when people say it. They derank videos for it. In reality, the show is actually a play on words. It actually doesn't say what Maza says. It actually says socialism is for figs. In place of the A that you would expect to see, there's a picture of a fig. It's meant to be a joke. Doesn't matter if you find it funny or not. That's really not the point here. Now, I really don't care which side of the debate you fall on here. You could think Crowder is a jerk and he should be demonetized. He should be kicked off the platform. You could think that Maza is whiny and he should grow a pair. I don't really care what you think of either of them. That's not what's important. What is important is that Maza complained and Crowder fought back. And YouTube came down with a kind of split decision. Basically, it said that Crowder can keep his channel here on YouTube, but they took away his monetization, so he's no longer going to make any money off of ads. Now, so far, this seems to be related to two big YouTubers, and who really cares about two big YouTubers as a small YouTuber like me, right? Well, the issue is like this. YouTube didn't just demonetize Crowder. They went and started what most YouTubers are now calling the Voxadpocalypse. And basically what that means is that there's been a purge of thousands upon thousands of channels that have been demonetized for various reasons, even channels that are not ostensibly political. They've seen the monetization taken away, and for many people this is actually devastating. They rely on that ad revenue to pay their bills and to feed their families, and that's where I come in. Now, I'm a small YouTuber. As of this recording, I'm just shy of 500 subscribers. I don't even qualify to be monetized yet, and frankly, I don't really care about being monetized. That's the truth. Because I do make a lot of money from YouTube. Now, how did I do that? Well, there's actually 3 ways of doing it. I'm going to tell you all 3 methods that you can use to deal with this situation, even if you've been demonetized or if you haven't monetized to begin with. Doesn't really matter. There are multiple ways of actually making some serious money off of YouTube without having to actually be monetized and sharing in the ad revenue, which frankly, it's really not all that much. I mean, honestly, if I recall correctly, YouTube gets 60 cents. You get 40 cents on the dollar. But when an ad runs for like 10 cents per click on average, so, you got to get an awful lot of clicks to actually make any significant amount of money off of that. So really and truthfully, the whole ad thing, not the best way of making money on YouTube to begin with. But anyway, let's get right into this. So option number 1 is going to be to sell merchandise. And that's actually what Crowder does. And that's actually the reason that Mazda is still really furious and that he has been screaming about the advertisers here on YouTube and saying that they should go and ban YouTube. And that's why YouTube got all upset and started this whole thing where they're demonetizing thousands upon thousands of channels. Because Crowder basically makes most of his money by selling merchandise. Obviously, he sells those T-shirts and other kinds of T-shirts. He also has a premium subscription service. And, that's really great if you have a massive following and people will continue to buy your merchandise. But frankly, it's limited. I mean, how many T-shirts can you really say selling socialism is for figs?
A lot, actually.
Well, I don't know about the numbers, to be honest. Crowder does have nearly 4 million subscribers. For the rest of us who don't have 4 million subscribers or even 400,000 subscribers, probably we struggle to make money doing that, I would think. So option number 2 is paid endorsements. So you do see this quite a bit, actually. You do this with a fairly small YouTube channel, like 10,000 subscribers maybe. You could do this already. Basically, you see videos where people give a shout out to smaller YouTubers. You could also endorse a particular product on your channel and get paid for that. You do have to mention this somewhere in your description. YouTube will actually have a little checkbox you can check off that it says includes paid promotion. That's really important to do because for legal purposes. But what if you have a really small channel, like 1,000 subscribers, 500 subscribers, 2,000 subscribers? That's really not going to work for you. And that's where I come in. Affiliate marketing. That's what I do. Now, you notice my channel is a mix. Sometimes I do videos like this where I just try to provide useful information to you about how to make money online or about entrepreneurship, things like that. Other times I do videos where I actually review software and info products that make money online niche. And basically when I do those reviews, I do get paid a commission if you purchase through my link. I try to be as honest as possible about it. I try to be fair in my reviews. I give my honest feelings about a product. I won't just endorse anything, and I try to offer you bonuses that I think are really, really valuable. But ultimately, that's how I make my money on YouTube, is by offering you is by getting a commission off of sales that I make because you purchased because of my link. And the nice thing is you don't have to do it just in the make money online niche. You can do it with any niche you could possibly think of, literally anything you could possibly think of, like cats, woodworking, basket weaving, whatever it is you want to do. You can pretty much make money off of it as an affiliate marketer. All you got to do is find an affiliate program that you can promote. You do have to mention that it is paid content, obviously, but that's not a problem. People understand that. They understand that, you got to pay the bill somehow. You're not just doing this out of the goodness of your heart. As much as you want to help people, you do also want to make a living. And so people understand that, and that's fine. People get that, and they're willing to go and buy through you, even though you are getting monetized, because they understand that that's how you make a living. That's how I'm able to make a living. That's how I'm able to provide you with these kinds of videos where I talk about these things, even though I'm not making a living off of this particular video. I'm not monetizing this video. I'm not getting any money off of it. My other videos on this channel do make me money, and that's why I'm able to provide free content like this one here. Now, if you do like this video, you can go ahead and give it a thumbs up, smash subscribe. You'll be really happy you did. Also, if you really want to know more about how to make money online, I encourage you to click the link below. This is a course that I created with my friend and mentor, Stephen Alvey. It's going to teach you about how to have massive success online. It's completely free. Go ahead and grab it. I think you're really going to love it. And I will see you on the next video.